So this tweet was shared by my friend Saurabh, co-founder and CEO of Exa Protocol, showing how he deployed his portfolio website using Exa. Not a tutorial, but the way it was actually good, it actually caught my eyes. And kind of like after a brain rot content consumption from Saurabh and all things, these type of way of engaging and getting the attention from a particular user, a particular person who is using Twitter, I kind of like. So I thought, let's explore this out after like this video popped up on my feed, and I was like not expecting to spend my evening diving deep into decentralized infrastructure. Okay. But here I am. I clicked around the docs, I click around, read the docs, and it turned out that Exa isn't just some quirky experiment. It's aiming to become a decentralized cloud infra layer, like an open alternative to AWS, GCP, or Azure, but in peer-to-peer. And as a developer, that caught my attention. But what exactly is Exa Protocol? Decentralized cloud powered by a mobile first DFS and GPU powered computing. Exa Protocol is building the future of Web3. What exactly does is Exa Protocol turns any idle computer like yours, mine, or whoever to run a node and then into a giant shared network for two things. One is ExaDrive for decentralized storage, and the second one is ExaCompute for running compute tasks like DevTools, ML training, or lightweight backend service. The coolest part, it's all based on verifiable off-chain compute. So every task has a traceable code. Let me let's go dive, like, let me tell you a little bit about ExaDrive. So let's say I am building a tab that needs to store static assets like image, markdown, media. Normally, I would use a S3 or IPFS. But with ExaDrive, it splits my file into chunks, encrypts them, and store them across nodes in the network. Fully decentralized, redundant, and no single point of failure. And if I want to post a front end like my own portfolio, I can deploy it right from the dashboard, like you saw in this tweet. I will drop that link again. And then what is ExaCompute? So now let's talk about ExaCompute. This one's for the dev building with AI automation and microservices. Instead of paying like $200 a month for some GPU-packed VM, you could run your job on ExaCompute. It's verifiable and powered by a network of contributors running compute jobs. Think of it like serverless, but community powered. Now, also while searching through all these things, I got to know that they were also running a campaign on Interact. But while recording this video, I'm technically late to introduce it. But my bad, my previous video it was deleted accidentally. So I was not able to share it on time. But yeah, they shared a set of tasks before their TGE goes live. And it was like normal tasks like become a pioneer on Exa, start a node and all things. Somewhat of engagement, somewhat of running a node. But when I tried to do that, I was actually amazed on one thing. Running a node on Exa Protocol is very, very easy. How so? Let me show you. So I will just drop a link here about this console and how you want to get started. Like either click on get started or click on rent your machine. I want to rent my machine. So I will just click on rent your machine, turning your idle device into a passive income with ExaCompute. Now, what you can do is either you want to go, you can explore around the documentation, like how and what is happening around, or either you just want to skip about like what's happening and like learn about it later on, but want to run a node first. You have to click on this get the app. It will take you to the release version of the web, like release.exadrivecdn.com, where you can see the latest release versions for macOS, for Windows, for Linux. Okay, I am right now using Windows, or I am already running a node for Exa here, but I will show you something. If you click here, it will download a package. You will see a package like this. It will just pop up here. And I actually had downloaded it previously. So this is my package. If I just click on it, it will like it will show me here. And after that, here. See, Exa Protocol, when I clicked on it, I was not able to run it directly. Why? So because of some security constraints on macOS. And that's not their fault. That's no one's fault. So how you can do is you can go to settings, system settings, and then go to privacy and security. And then here you will find an option like this available here, which is like in the security version, you can see a option popping up that Exa Protocol client DMG was blocked to protect your Mac. If you want to run a node, it's actually safe. That's completely normal. You just have to click on open anyways, and then the window will pop up like this. It will look something like this. And it will ask you to add on a code to run, and how and where can you find that particular code? I will show you now. So after getting the machine, what you have to do is you have to click on go to dashboard. Okay, and when you go to the dashboard, it will land you to website like this, and you have to click on rent your machine or rent your machine type. You can click on rent your machine, go there, down the website. You won't see this particular thing, but if you want to deploy and rent a particular machine, you just have to click on add a machine. You can name anything, like I want to name it as Mac 2, and you have to define the machine description, like what it is. So I just click on about this Mac. I search here Apple M1. So I will just write it Apple M1 or here. So and click on I am not a robot and click on add a machine, and it will show you something like this. Now, where will you find the code? Click on settings. You will see this view your machine token code. Click on this, click to view. It will show you some code. Just have to copy that and then paste it here. Just paste it here normally. And then you are ready to run a node. It will show you the red screen. That means you are connected, but you are not online yet. You just have to click on this button and you are connected online. You are free to run this in the, it will just run anytime whenever you are allowing it to connect online. It will only work then. You can just keep it running in the background while doing your other work, because I see that there could be some concerns that what if the usage is going high or something. I searched around, I thought about it, but when I see this, it's kind of impressive. Energy consumption, memory consumption is quite good comparatively. Here in the memory also, like just like almost 250 MB of my RAM is utilized here. Simple, sober, and I like it. Like I don't have to meet and run all set of like installation and all setting up this, that. No. Download the app, enter the code, and you are online. That's all. And these are the daily XCP you are running. Now you want to understand what is XCP and all. So I will just go back here. You will see that there are different type of tiers. So through which like you can see what is happening. XCP are actually points. You will go to achievement section and you will see that I had got, like I joined early, so I had earned these particular points. But if you want to also join early on, it is still open. It is still open, and you are not that much late. What you can do is you can just go on to Exa Protocol website. Sorry, where is it? And here, I joined here, so you missed it. But you can join here. This is the current epoch where before 1,000 nodes are running. Before 1,000 users sign up and run a node particularly here, it will give you benefit of tier 4, and the credit points it will give you in the starting is this. And for the next, after the 1,000th user to 2,500 user, they will get this much point, and then this. So it's like join early, you will earn more points. And these points are actually also like secure. Reward program is also here to help you out. And XCPs can be computed like on XCP, or every time your device is used to perform tasks like AI model training, 3D rendering, or something. You earn XCP tokens. It's a simple and effective way to generate passive income while supporting innovative Web3 applications. XCP is actually a smaller unit for XCP. That's what I had done, maybe. And the more you earn, the more XCP you will be getting. It's like the native currency for running and doing any operation on Exa protocol. It's a XAP. It's like a ERC20 token available here for all the things. So what's next? I will just share this particular video here to you so that you can try and check how to deploy your website, static website on ExaDrive. Also try to deploy like a sample portfolio website. And then what makes it different for me? What stood out to me is that Exa is not trying to be another blockchain, another coin. It's infrastructure first and designed to be differently, measurable, affordable. Whether you are a solo dev or a team experimenting with AI, it's worth looking. And if you are early, you have got timing on your side, because you can sign up early before 1,000 users reach to earn more points. Although I am late to introduce you to the quest, interact quest that was happening, but in case it's still not that much late. They're still on the early ride. The bus hasn't left yet. Join ExaCompute. And with that, I think there's a lot here for developers to explore, whether you want to host, compute, or contribute to infra. It's open source. It's definitely open source. So dive in, ask questions, maybe build on top of it. Links are in the description. Hit me up if you want to start running a node. I will share I will drop the links here in the comment section also. And that's all from me. Thanks for watching. I will be covering more of projects like this and that intersect networks, decentralization, and real world use cases. Until then, happy hacking. Bye bye.